densities in suspensions. And I was really interested in making this project because bioengineering is so important to our daily lives. It's the union of two such prominent sciences, and it can be used to help so many people. So a centrifuge, what it does is it separates liquids based upon densities using centripetal force. So have you guys ever seen someone swing a bucket over their head with the bucket filled with water?
Yes.
Yeah. So what happens is the water doesn't fall out, and this is because of the power of centripetal force. It's way stronger than gravity, and so what my centrifuge allows me to do is it allows me to separate things that will normally separate because of gravity in up to 10,000 times less of an amount. So I'm going to demonstrate really quickly, and then later I'll pass around samples of what I've centrifuged. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's spinning really fast. So what I'm using to centrifuge is a mixture of water and jam. And so this is what it looks like originally. I don't know if you want to see that. It's kind of sticky. So these have already been centrifuged, and when I pass these around, you'll see that it's separated into three levels. The top being this watery solution, the middle being a more opaque kind of gel-like mass, and then the bottom has the seeds of the raspberries that were originally used to make the jam. And you'll see that the centrifuge has actually stripped the seeds of the pulp. Yeah. So a major challenge, so the way the centrifuge works is it's keyboard controlled. So if I press 1, 2, or 3, it will go forwards, stop, or go backwards respectively. And the way it does this is through my Arduino Uno, which is basically the brain of my project and allows me to communicate with the motor driver, which takes a low current control signal and amplifies it so that it can power the motor. And so one of the major challenges that I had was making my modification for my project, which is a tachometer. And what that basically is it sees how fast the rotor head is spinning. And the way it does this is there's a phototransistor at the top of the tin that senses light from an LED at the bottom of the tin, and they have a signal going. But there are these protrusions that we've glued onto the top of my rotor head, and when the centrifuge spins, the protrusions block the signal for a short period of time each rotation. And so by seeing how long the signal is blocked, the phototransistor can tell us how fast the centrifuge is going. This modification actually isn't done yet because of a ton of wiring and coding issues that we had while making it. So first thing tomorrow, Riley, we're going to try using a photoresistor to better sense the LED. So yeah, some reflections I've had during this project, in these 6 weeks, I've learned so much about all different aspects of engineering, from programming to 3D printing. I also used Remote Desktop to use SolidWorks to print out the rotor head and the motor clamps that holds the motor upright. But what I'm going to take away most from this project is just like an eagerness to make now. I'm just so eager to use all of the knowledge that I've gained to just continue developing this project and make more projects. So, thank you. Do you have any questions? Yes?
How fast does it spin and how much power does it consume?
It consumes a lot of power. The maximum that it can spin, we calculated it, and it's actually 70 meters per second, but that's insanely fast. And so right now, we don't have it going nearly that fast.
How many RPMs is that?
We don't. Once I get the tachometer
Okay.
working, I'll be able to figure out exactly how fast we can get it to go.
If you had to find the power that it uses, is there, what would you do? So,
I'm sorry, can you repeat?
I said the power that it uses, you said it uses a lot of power.
Yeah.
So if you wanted to make it truly portable,
I guess if I wanted to make it truly portable, I could make it solar powered. One of the applications is, for example, like going to third world countries and taking pap smears to see if the women there have cervical cancer. But that's like a really hard process for them at the moment because hospitals are far away and it's really hard to get that done. So with a centrifuge, you can just really easily do that. Yeah. That was actually one of the potential applications listed on the website that I got documentation off of.